Oh, hi guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel, ABE, a bit of everything. So today I'm going to teach you how to make your own paper snake. So first of all, what you need is a piece of square paper, and now I'll teach you step by step on how to make it. So first of all, turn it into a triangle, or fold it into a triangle, halfway. Now fold it on the halfway mark. And now fold this to the middle as well. And then just do it on the same side. Same thing on the other side. Like this. And now fold the 2 points into the middle. And then do it on the other side. And now do the same thing, fold it again. And then just repeat. And now what you want to do here is fold this into the middle. Like that. Fold it in the middle. And now just fold it like this. Now what you want to do here is fold it like this. And now open it up like this, folding the piece. Make it look like this. It should look like that. And then just like bend it. What you want to do now is just fold it like this. And now, as soon as you finish that, I want you to open it, get the pointy bit, fold it halfway, Now these two, the two corners here, should be the fangs. Just fold them and fold this too, and this pointy one shall be the tongue. So fold it like that, so it should look like that. Now just put all of it back together, and you made your own snake. Now just for the body, you want to curve it. Now your snake is completed. So now I'm just gonna add googly eyes to it. Now I'll just add the other eye. Now, here, this one has eyes. As you can see, on the other snake, it doesn't have any eyes because it's legally blind. Okay guys, now you made your own snake. But before I conclude, I got a question for you. What did a snake give to his wife? You're right. A good night hiss. Now you got two snakes. It's called a brood of vipers. Anyway guys, that's all for the video. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.